Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to use the power function in Excel. So for example, if you want to find a power of any numbers or any particular number for a series of power or whatever your requirements, you can use this option to find the power. Say for example, I want to find the power of 5 from 1 to 15. What does it mean? 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3 until 5 raised to 15. So if I'm going to go here on the third column and click on equal to simple and click on search for power and double click on the power function, click on the first number from which you want and comma the power. So here I need a to the power b, which means a to cell raised to b to cell. Now if I close the bracket, I can get 5. If I am double click this one, I'll get numbers like this. 5 raised to 2 is 25, 5 raised to 3 is 125, 5 raised to 4 is 625, like this. And what if I choose another number, say for example a smaller number? We can see how it will look like if it's going to raise to 1, 2 raised to 2, like this. If I'm putting, of course, it will be 1 everywhere. So you can also use another function. Say for example 5 raised to 5 is here. If you want to find, for example, 5 raised to 10, you just need to replace it, the second power function, with the number. So in this case you will get 5 raised to 10, what it will be. If I put 2 raised to 10, which is 1024. So I hope you understood the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.